Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how I achieved this eyeshadow look. So if you're interested in watching this video, please continue watching it till the very end, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me. So today I am using this Kay Beauty Self Love Eyeshadow Palette. It's a really beautiful palette. As you can see the shades right over here, and it's really pigmented, although it has some fallouts, but it's okay. So I'm going to use this shade right over here using a fluffy brush and applying it all over my crease as a transition shade, and I'll take my sweet time to blend that transition shade all over my crease, because blending is the key. So you have to take your time to blend it really well. Also, I'm using a tape here because I don't want to mess up with the eyeshadow, because you can create messed eyeshadows, and I'm pretty new with eyeshadow looks, so I just used it as a safety measure. See how beautifully that has been blended, so soft it looks. Now I'm going to use this dark brown shade and make sure I apply it on my outer V and slightly extend it towards the crease also, and not go all the way towards my whole eyelid, only towards the half. I should just make sure I concentrate towards my half eyelid only, and use patting motions instead of wiping motions, which I used in doing the transition thing, to intensify the color. Again, using the transition shade to blend it out all together, so that I don't create any harsh edges. And I can soften out the look. Next, I'll be again using that dark brown shade to intensify that color, which I lost by blending out that transition with the dark brown shade. Now I'll be trying to achieve a cut crease look. I'm very bad at it, but anyways, I'm trying my best. I'm using a concealer here, and this is the Rimmel concealer, and apply it all over my lid, not completely all over, but concentrating towards the inner eyelid only, the half of the eyelid. See, I can see some harsh lines here while I did the cut crease, so I'll be using that brown shade to diffuse the harsh lines, okay? Next, I'll be using the beautiful rosy shade to apply it all over where my concealer had been applied. So, concealer really helps in bringing out the exact pigment of that shade. Concealer will help in creating a good pop of color when I apply this eyeshadow all over my half eyelid. Again, I'll be using the brown eyeshadow and also using that same transition shade to blend out everything evenly. Next, I'll be using the beautiful rose gold shade and apply it all over in my center eyelid only, not be going here and there, left and right, only in the middle. Definitely if you have some fallouts here, but that can be managed. And blend everything out seamlessly with that transition shade. See, everything looks so neat right now, right? Now I'll be removing that tape and using a pen eyeliner. I'm very nervous while applying eyeliner, so I did it behind the camera. You can extend it towards the inner corner too, if you want, like I did here. Now I'll be using a dark brown shade to waterline my outer waterline, and also that pink shade for the inner corners. So now I'm using a nude kajal to tightline my eyes, and I'm going to use mascara, although I'm going to use false lashes, but I'm anyway using a mascara. So this is the finished look. I hope you like this look. I tried my best. So yeah, and applied some lashes too. It's a local brand. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like this. So I know I made mistakes, but anyways, please don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye.